You are tasked with connecting an on-premises server, Server 1, to a virtual network, VNet1, in Azure using the Azure Network Adapter feature. To ensure the deployment process is as efficient as possible, which component must be provisioned in the Azure environment first? Your options are Option A, a route server, Option B, an Azure Bastion service, Option C, a private link endpoint, and Option D, a virtual network gateway. The core concept here involves establishing connectivity between local infrastructure and cloud resources. Specifically, the Azure Network Adapter is a tool integrated into the Windows Admin Center that facilitates communication by bridging an on-premises environment with an Azure virtual network. You need to identify the specific prerequisite service that acts as the entry point for this type of network traffic, allowing the local server to communicate securely with the virtual network in Azure. In my view, the correct answer is Option D, a virtual network gateway. The Azure Network Adapter in Windows Admin Center is designed to set up a point-to-site VPN connection between an on-premises Windows server and an Azure virtual network. For this connection type to work, you must have an Azure VPN gateway deployed within the target virtual network, as it serves as the necessary endpoint for the encrypted VPN tunnel. Looking at the other options, they do not fulfill the same prerequisite role for this feature. A route server is typically utilized for dynamic routing scenarios involving network virtual appliances. Azure Bastion is intended for providing secure RDP or SSH access, and a private endpoint is used for accessing Azure PaaS services privately. None of these are required to establish the base tunnel for the Azure Network Adapter, making the VPN gateway the primary component needed to support connectivity.